It's been a hot minute since I filmed a video since I've been so busy moving and everything, but I'm finally back. Today I'm filming a little I'm cold makeup look just in time for holiday season. I don't know, as you guys know, I'm obsessed with blush, so this look is just like perfect for me. I really like how it turned out, so if you guys want to know how to do this makeup look, just keep watching. I'm already done with my base makeup, so I'm just gonna go straight into my eyes. So first I'm just gonna take a really bright blush. This is the Lily by Red blush in the shade number 1 𝘀𝐶𝗰𝗶𝗹. And as you can see, it's like super light pink, like almost white. And I'm just gonna apply it with a smaller brush on areas of my eyes that I kind of want to brighten. So right here, and then the inner part of my lid. And I'm also going to apply it to the tip of my nose. Now I'm taking the blush shade that you guys have seen multiple times. I'm taking the Romance blush in Blueberry Chip. This is honestly my favorite blush color. I feel like I use it in every video. I'm just going to take it on this bigger brush and just apply it on the ends of my lids and up to my brow bone as well. And for this shade, I'm going to take it on the tip of my brush like this, and also apply it under my eyes here. And then I'm also going to apply it to my nose area. This is what's really going to give off that cold look. Now that all the blush is applied for my eyes, I'm going to take the 𝗀𝐸 Doll eyeshadow palette in number 15. And first, I'm going to take this brown color, and I'm applying it to the inner part of my eye. Now taking a different brush, I'm going to take the darker brown, this middle shade right here, and I'm going to use it to kind of naturally give me like a kind of a wing. And I'm also just going to bring the shadow down to my under eyes. Now I'm going to take this glitter shade and apply it to the front of my eyes. Now taking an angled brush, I'm going to sharpen my inner corners. And I'm also just going to bring my lash line. Now using what's left over on my brush, I'm going to shade my 𝐝𝐞𝐽𝐻. And you just want to be really light with this. I'm using the same color. I'm going to draw my eyeliner. I'm going to take the small brush again and just blend out the eyeliner. Taking the Romance Glitter Garden palette, I'm going to take this pink glitter shade right here, pat it onto the fronts of my eyes. Now, I would usually apply mascara to my top lashes, but I got my lashes permed today, so I'm not supposed to be wearing mascara for like the next 2 days, so I'm just going to apply it to my bottom lashes. And you guys know the drill at this point. I'm going to take a toothpick, heat it up, and just press down my bottom lashes. I'm going to take a really small, thin brush, and I'm going to take the white glitter and just place it like right under my lash line. I find under eye glitter to be so much prettier when it's kind of controlled, if that makes sense, instead of it being everywhere on your 𝐝𝐞𝐽𝐻. Now I'm gonna take the Clio Fairy Pink highlighter, and I'm just taking it on a thin brush and applying it right here. I'm gonna apply it to my inner corners as well. And then I'm applying it to my nose, and my nose bridge, and my cheekbones. My brow bones. I'm going to use the Judy Doll eyeliner to redraw my inner corner. So now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. So there's the whole thing about how having eyebrows that are slightly lighter than your hair color kind of gives you a more youthful appearance. So usually I use like the ash, like gray, like stone color, but I am gonna try doing a slightly lighter brown. So I got the Romance all flat brow pencil, and then I also got the 𝗀𝗚𝗏𝗏 in the same shade so that I can kind of change the color of my brow. So first I'm just going to fill my brows in with the pencil, and I'm just going to fill in like the gaps because I want it to be more natural looking, and then when it gets to the front I'm just going to draw straight. I'm just going to use the spoolie on the other end to brush out my brows, and then taking the brow mascara, just gonna hope for the best basically. I don't really know if you can tell on camera, but this is like a lighter brown color. Now that my brows and my eyes and everything is done, I'm gonna move on to my cheeks. I'm gonna take the same blush and just apply it all over my cheeks because obviously blush is super important in this look because you want to look cold, and when you're cold you get red. So I'm just gonna apply it like horizontally. And I'm also gonna kind of reapply the blush near my eyebrow and my eye area. For my lips, I'm gonna go a little more natural, and I'm gonna take the 𝗀𝗱𝗏𝗶 Jelly Charm. And taking a brown, the darker brown shade, I'm just gonna lift using my blush brush. I'm gonna flatten it like this and get the blush on there, and I'm just gonna apply it to like my Cupid's bow area. And then now, because all my foundation and everything kind of got rid of my mole, I'm just gonna use brown shadow and liquid eyeliner to kind of just bring it back. But yeah, now I'm just gonna do my hair, and that is all for this like cold look. Thank you.